Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Trash to Teach. Have you ever heard someone say HTML and CSS are all you need to be a web developer? Or maybe web dev is just for coders? Well, that's not entirely true. Today, we're busting some common web development myths so you can avoid the confusion and focus on what really matters. Let's dive in. Myth number 1 is learning HTML and CSS is enough for web development. HTML and CSS are a great start, but web development is like an iceberg. What you see is just the surface. Beneath it, there's JavaScript, databases, APIs, and server-side languages like PHP, Node.js, and Python. Next is myth number 2. Web development is just for coders. Guess what? You don't need to be a coding wizard to thrive in web development. Designers, UX researchers, and content creators all play a huge role. It's teamwork that makes the dream work. Myth number 3, web development is a solo hustle. Web development thrives on community. Open source projects, coding boot camps, and dev meetups are where the magic happens. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this myth-busting session, hit that like button and subscribe for more web dev tips. See you in the next one.